Hi everyone and welcome to another car boot haul. It's very early on Monday morning, that's why the lighting's weird. But as I said, I think in my previous video, this is going to be the norm from now on probably because it's quite difficult to film on a Sunday morning when I get back from the car boot. I went to the big one in Wales yesterday because the local one isn't on for a couple of weeks. It's back on the 3rd September, but I'm away that week, so I'm probably going to have to go to the local one now till the 10th of September. But yesterday I spent £31, but considering the size of the car boot yesterday, which was huge, I'm surprised I didn't spend more. There were so many stalls selling baby clothes and kids clothes. Half of them I just skipped past because it was just clothing, which was really disappointing, but I did pick up some stuff. So we'll go through that now, and as always I'll share with you what I paid and how much roughly it will get on eBay with postage. So this is everything I picked up, so I'll start at this end. First thing I picked up today was this Disney doll. It's from Tangled, I think it's Rapunzel. Now I have sold this one recently, or I've got one the same. I can't remember if it's sold or not yet. But this was only £1 and it gets about just under 10 usually. Kaplunk, managed to pick up another Kaplunk. This was £2, which is fine. As I've said many times before, I sell off the balls and sticks, and again I've literally got one set of balls left. I've sold all the others, so that was good to find because I need some more stock of Kaplunk stuff. Then we have a pop-up pirate BB-8 game. I've never seen this before, I didn't even know it existed. Came with this bag of spanners, which are like the swords in pop-up pirate. That was only £1. I think it is working, it's clicked down okay, so I'm sure once you put the spanners in here, one will pop it up. So yeah, I paid £1 for that, and I'll put on the screen roughly how much that'll be. It probably won't be double figures, but it's Star Wars BB-8, I had to pick it up. Next, these aren't big money makers, but I saw them, they're in a 50p box. They're like snap together figures. It doesn't show you on the back what they are. There's a Star Wars one, it's a bit more detailed, you can see there, it all snaps together. But there's a few Doctor Who ones, Cyberman, Weeping Angel. I've got a couple of Weeping Angel and Cyberman because they're obviously popular characters. And then there was a Sontaran, and I got a Madame Vastra as well. As I said, not big money makers. They sell for about £3 or so online, but 50p each. They're easy to post, and the Doctor Who and Star Wars, so I had to pick them up. Next, just a book. It's a He-Man book. It looks vintage, but it has got a barcode on, which confused me, so I don't know if it is actually vintage or whether it's a reprint. But that was only 50p, so I picked that up. Rubik's Cube, I've sold these many times. This is 50p. They sell for about £8 on a good day, so absolutely perfect. It's in very good condition as well. Next, the travel mug. This is from the Last Jedi era of Star Wars. It's R2-D2, brand new, a tag never used. It's a bit dusty, but I can clean that. I have looked inside, it's all new. This was £2, which is fine as it was new. Online they sell between 15 and 18, so £2 absolutely fine for that. Next, another annoying toy that makes noises. It's Blippi. Now, I don't know who mentioned this character. I've never seen this character before, but I'm sure someone mentioned it on one of their videos. And when I saw it today, it stood out. So I thought I'd give it a go. It's not megabucks. It sells for about £10. I only paid £1 for that, so not too bad at all. Next, there was a stall that had this IKEA dinosaur. Now, I've heard about IKEA stuffed toys before, and I know some of them are worth money. So it's Dinosaur, which is obviously popular. So I thought I'd take a chance. It was £3. They also had this Death Star shaped mug, again from the Last Jedi era. And it was £3 as well. So I offered £5 for the two and she took it. So £2.50 each for those. I put on the screen what I can find out about this dinosaur, whether it's worth the money or not. I don't know. I just took a chance on that. And the same with the mug. It's probably not going to be a lot, £10 at the most probably, but again I'll put on the screen what I can find. Next, some media, some James Bond DVDs. These are the only media items I picked up today. I try to stick away from media now because it's quite low value, so unless it's something I know will sell, I don't pick it up. And I always do well with James Bond DVDs, or they do well, they sell. So I make a few pence on each. So I got The Living Daylights just because it's my favourite Bond movie. It's not the 2-disc ones, the rest are 2-disc ones, which sell a lot better. So we have Moonraker, The World Is Not Enough, another one of my favourites. Man with the Golden Gun, Goldfinger, and Golden Eye, which is the 15 rated cut. So the full violence version. Then we have this little guy. Saw him, thought he was cute, and he had the tag on, which is even better. It's like an Incredibles / Toy Story remix plush. It was £1, so I picked that up. Doesn't sell for much, £10 at the most, so not too bad. Next I saw this, it was off a woman. She had lots of pop culture stuff. She was the lady that had these. So I bought those and came back. I saw this guy and thought, yeah, he's quite cool looking. She said he was £3, so I went away, looked him up. He's worth about 10 at the most. I went back later and she said I could have him for £2, so even better. It's an Andorian from Star Trek. It's a Funko item. And we have this. It's a VHS style money box from Stranger Things. This was £1, so I thought that was good value for that. I put on the screen what I can find out about how much it's worth, but yeah, cool looking item. A couple of card games for kids. Who Did This Poo? A matching memory game. I thought that looked quite interesting. I'm sure kids would like that. And another one called Pig and Piglet. Match the animals to their babies. These were only 50p each and they're in good condition inside, so I picked them up. These are worth around just over £10 each, so not too bad, 50p each. Then we have another bundle I did with a lady. Another one of these Blippi things. It's a plastic figure. Again, makes noises.
Yeah! Good job!
How annoying. But I'm sure kids would like it. Again, never seen this, or I've just bypassed Blippi stuff before, so I thought I'd give him a go, and if I see stuff again in the future, I'll pick it up. I'll put on the screen what I can find out about this figure and how much it's worth. She wanted £2 for that. And then we have this sealed Enchantimals set. It's like fairies or something. I think I've heard of this brand, I'm not sure. She wanted £3.50 for it, so I bundled the two together for £5, so I saved 50p on that deal, which is quite good. I don't like haggling. I can be quite socially awkward, so I don't like haggling. But if I'm bundling a couple of things together, then I try and haggle. But on single items, I don't. So I've researched this. They're all over the place. Some are sold low, like about £10. I've seen one sell for nearly 20. So for Christmas, that's why I bought this, because it's brand new in the box. I'm sure someone will want this to buy for Christmas. So I'll aim for obviously the higher amount, the £20, and go from there. We've got a few months yet till Christmas, so you never know. And the last thing is this Samantha PG Tips monkey. I've had this exact item before and it sold about, I think it was just under £10. I only paid £1 for that, so that's absolutely fine. I do like selling plush. So yeah, that's my haul from today. Quite a lot of interesting things, not the usual kind of things I pick up. Got some strange random, like the BB-8 thing. I've never seen that before. I've never picked up Blippi before. I've never picked up Enchantimals before, so it's all a little bit of a experiment. I don't usually pick up Funko things either, so obviously if any of this stuff sells well and I see it again, then I'll pick it up. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and hopefully we can get to another car boot next week. It'll be the Wales one if I can go. And other than that guys, I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.